For this project, the buttonholes are worked in between two cables. To do this, you start the buttonhole after you have done one cable or twist. So you slip the first stitch, then you knit together the next two stitches, then you wrap the yarn around the right needle anti-clockwise, and you do this twice. Then you slip knitwise the next stitch and again the next stitch. You insert your left needle at the front of those two stitches, yarn over, and you knit them together. So this is half the buttonhole done. Now you complete your row and you knit the return row until you reach here, and then I'll show you how to finish the buttonhole. Now I've done the return row, and to finish the buttonhole you've got these 5 stitches left on your needle. You knit the first stitch, you purl the second stitch, knit the next, which is the third stitch, knit the fourth, and knit the fifth stitch. Then you turn your work over and to complete the buttonhole we are slipping the first stitch, we're purling the second stitch, and the next 2 stitches we're going to work a cable or a twist. So let's make a little bit of room here. Insert your right needle knitwise into both stitches, yarn over, pull the yarn through, then insert the right needle again into the first stitch, yarn over, pull the yarn through, and release both stitches onto the right needle, purl the next stitch, and this completes your buttonhole, and it is located in between 2 cables or twists.